This is a video tutorial for the BCA administrators on how to use the new online BCA dispatch and inspection system. First, you will log into the system with your supervisor or admin credentials. As an administrator, the first screen you come to is the All Inspections page. On this screen, you can see all of the inspection requests starting with the most recent. To change the view of the list, you can use any combination of filters provided above the list. You can filter all inspections by BCA district, completed or not completed inspections, date, inspection district, job type, inspector name, project type, and confirmation number. Once you have chosen all the desired filters, you can click Update to apply the specified filters to the list of inspections. After filtering the list, these filters will be in place when you go to print the schedule or view on the map as well. Each column you see here has basic information regarding the inspection. To view more information about the inspection, you can simply click the confirmation number or dispatch ID of that inspection. On this screen, you can see all of the detail of the inspection, view the forms and attachments associated with this inspection, and you will also notice at the bottom of this inspection form, you have the option to finalize the inspection and sign off on the job. If you go back to your All Inspections page, you will notice that some inspections have blank spaces where the assigned inspector's name goes. This means that an inspector has not been assigned to this inspection yet. As an administrator, you can use the Assign Inspector button to assign an inspector of your choice to this inspection. You can also reassign a different inspector to an inspection that has already been claimed by using the same Assign Inspector button. You will click the Assign Inspector button for the inspection of your choice. For this example, we are going to choose an inspection that has not received an inspector yet. We will be taken to this page where we first select the inspector to assign using the drop-down list. Then, after, we will check and confirm the information underneath, and we will finally click Assign to finalize the dispatch. After you assign an inspection or reassign an inspection, you will be taken back to the All Inspections page, and there will be confirmations that will come up at the top of the page that confirm assignment of the inspection and update of the GIS point on the map. The same process is required for you to reassign an inspector to another inspection. You also notice in the Reassign column under the Assign Inspector button that this box either says Reviewed or has a clickable link that says Not Reviewed. This is used to show if a dispatcher has reviewed an inspection request. Another important item from the All Inspection screen to take note of is under the Date and Time column, you will see either the word Overflow or Convert. If the inspection is an overflow time slot, it will be marked Overflow under the date and time. And if you click the word Overflow, it will show you the reason for the overflow request. If the inspection is not deemed as overflow, it will have the Convert button under the date and time. You can click the Convert button if you need to change the record of the inspection to an overflow inspection in the system. At the top of the page, next to the All Inspections button, there's a New Inspections button, where you can create a new inspection request. There is also a Cancel Inspection button. When you click the Cancel Inspection button, you will be taken to this screen here. This is a list of the inspections that can be canceled. Please note, only inspections that have not been assigned can be canceled. This list is similar to your All Inspections page. It will show an inspection in a row, with each column having basic information about the inspection. To view more information on the inspection, you can click the ID number in the first column. To cancel a specific inspection, you'll click Cancel in the far right column, and you'll be prompted to add cancellation notes and then confirm that you want to proceed with the cancellation. After confirming, you'll be taken back to the Cancellation Inspection page with the list of inspections. A feature specific to administrative and supervisor users in the new BCA system is the Administration tab in the right-hand side of the top toolbar. Using this tab, you can manage any of the information in the system, By clicking an item in the Administration tab list, you can see that a list specific to that item will come up. The Inspector selection shows a list of inspectors in the system. This list also shows basics of the inspector's account in the system. You can add a new user by scrolling to the bottom of the page and clicking Add New. You fill in all the fields required to add a new user, and then you'll specify the type of permissions you want to give them. Then you will click Save User. Each item under the administration list is similar. You will see a list relating to that item under each section that shows elements that are in the system now. And under each section, as an administrator, you can add a new item to any list in the system. As an administrative user, you can also suspend users or items in the system shown in any of these lists. If you have the option to suspend, this means that this item will no longer show up as a choice in a list or drop-down menu in the dispatch and inspection system. To suspend a user or item, you will click the leftmost column where the ID number is. And in the next screen where it says Suspended, you will click the Yes option and hit Save. If you have any questions about the new BCA dispatch and inspection system, please view the user manual PDF.